So I've had a nice little surprise today from the postman. Can't wait to get it open. It's an early Christmas present. Come on, tear that packet away. It's only the K70 RGB Mark II low profile rapid fire from Corsair. Looks absolutely stunning. Comes with Cherry MX low profile mechanical key switches. Slim and durable aluminium frame. And you can control the RGB lighting with the icue software. Even comes with its own USB pass-through port. So I'm just playing with the icue software, changing the lights. It's amazing. This is called Rain. Key touch. This comes as standard. Scroll. Just changing colours. I honestly say, if you're looking for a keyboard to buy, this is the one. I think Corsair's done a really good job on this keyboard. And it goes well with my PC. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe and give the video a like. Thank you.